about Bharat Matrimony is making money through matchmaking.
So good evening, good afternoon or good evening, so whatever it is. So happy to be here at Connect, and in fact we can take the ownership of Connect. We connect more people than any other single organization in India. So that's why we are truly representing Connect. So making money through matrimony or matchmaking. So first of all, how did I get into this business? So in fact, I did my master's in computer science, went to US. I was trying to do something on my own. I don't know what to do. So there's a typical problem of as an entrepreneur, I want to do something but they don't know what to do. It's just almost 2.5 years trying to put things together. I developed a community portal targeting Tamilians because I was from Chennai, a daily calendar, make friends. Matrimony was a 2-page, it's just a 2-page, 1 page for brides, 1 page for grooms. So it was part of various sections, the daily calendar, discussion forum, Tamil greeting, Tamil festival reminder, all of things. Then people came, it's 2-page become very tedious because I'm not able to search people belonging to my age group. I was doing all those things. Almost 2.5 years as working as a consultant, doing the part-time. It took 2.5 years for me to realize there's an opportunity in the matrimony. From 1997, April 14, the Tamil New Year's Day, when I launched the community portal, 2000 April, I decided, okay, I need to get into the matrimony business. Initially, I wanted to do only Tamil matrimony, Telugu matrimony. I said, what the heck, same code, same technology. It was a one-man show in the brand name bharatmatrimony.com. Then came to India. Thankfully, .com bubble burst happened. So for two reasons, it really helped. And because otherwise, I would have kept the business free, because internet was free that point, everything was free. So I would have kept myself a free matrimony site, I would spend the money, and without kind of coming with a good business proposition, would have kind of went out of the business. So we didn't get the money, thankfully, and came to India. And so people say, this does not work, because online matrimony Indian does not work. But fortunately, I was in US, I seen the growth of internet. I understood being a technologist myself. I did my MCA. So I believe that the future of internet all the thing, because the way the country was evolving, I see, okay, this could be the best medium for people to find the life partner, because it provides choice, comfort, convenience. So with a strong conviction, so I started working on things. Why do people do not want to come to internet to look for a life partner? So I understood the reason that privacy is a reason, and people do not want put the photo open. So we given the feature, okay, you can protect a photo by a password. You can share it only to the people who are comfortable with, and you do not to kind of show your profile. You can log in as a member where others cannot see you, but you can see and contact the profile. Those are initial things what you have done. So slowly, people started coming, and this, people started getting married, and also strongly pushed the PR thing. There is a new way of getting married, and so it really helped, because one thing is because there's a new age of finding life partner. So PR, one thing right from the beginning, we kept as a mechanism to make the business being aware to the public. So that really helped. And slowly people started coming, getting married. Obviously, this business, once people get married, they remember for life, for good reasons, okay? So they'll tell many people, this is the best way to find a life partner or other thing. And why that .com bubble also helped, that just when I came to India, because I was working as a consultant till 2001, I was putting money from my pocket. Whatever money I make out of my consulting job, I put the money into the business. So that after .com bubble burst happened in 2000, people did not trust the internet medium. So a lot of people exit the internet business. So we are able to tie up with a bigger portal like Rediff, Sifi, all those point of time as a matrimony channel partner. We invest very little money, where you could be able to generate more money than the money you are investing out of thing. So initially, first 2 years as fine, the business model is established, and because I couldn't get the funding, right from the beginning, kept the business as a paid service. Used to charge 300 rupees per annum that point of time. Today, it's almost grown to 2,200 rupees for 3 months. That's a basic fee we charge. So right from the beginning, we kept the paid service. We said, okay, pay money, then only you could able to provide a service. So we're making money and putting the money back into the business. So that's why the business has grown all the thing. Then okay, now the business model proven, people are coming, we're able to make money, we're able to invest money back in the business. But India has a lot of challenges. One of the primary challenges, unlike in US, where people comfortably use credit card for the online payment, India is the other way. People are not comfortable putting that, using credit card for making the payments. So initial stage where we not have that many number of offices. Today we have good representative across India. So we opened a couple of offices across India. Then he said how to kind of reach out to the people to get the payment. In fact, I tell you, majority of payment for Bharat Matrimony in India is happening through the cash collection. We go to doorstep and collect the payment. Today, anywhere in India, within 2-3 hours you could be able to collect payments. That's the kind of setup we have done. Either through own officers, we have the associates. Initial days we have done a lot of tie-up. We have done a tie-up with the cyber cafes, SIFI area, one other thing. We tied with the Department of Post, where people can go to post office and buy a prepaid card of Bharat Matrimony. We had an individual franchisee, they can pay money, and whenever they collect payment, where they get some commission. Like that, slowly expanded all the thing, able to come and collect payment in a couple of hours. That really given the momentum for collecting revenue. Because people looking at the online business in India, though it's an online business, most of the revenue for India is happening through offline. Take it a job, take it a property. You are also running, apart from Bharat Matrimony, you are running IndiaProperty.com. So it's an online business, but majority of payments happening through the offline mechanism in India. So it's grown over a period of time, the number of people using credit card, but still it's compared to 30% of revenue for us coming from outside Indian market, where almost 99.99% the revenue for outside India has come through credit card, but India is still than 50%. So that's one of the fundamental problem we address, and that's given the boost to that, the growth of our revenues in India. And while you are kind of looking at the online matchmaking, that's where people coming and registering. The business model is very simple. You come and register, and you see the boys or girls matching your criteria, but you cannot contact them. So if you want to contact them, you have to make the payment. So business model pretty simple and neat and clean. Then we are looking at what are the other ways you can do the value add, thereby you're getting the more revenue. We're also looking at the value added services. One thing should add the value to the customer, also get additional revenue opportunity. We launched a couple of things. One thing is about the horoscope matching feature. Because in India, majority of the people do the horoscope matching. Even my case, my father-in-law would have rejected my proposal if the horoscope did not match, no matter how successful I am in all the things. So we said, okay, fine. If you don't have the horoscope, you come and enter date of birth, time of birth. We generate horoscope in real time, in any language, any format, South Indian format, North Indian format, whatever the format. We also do the horoscope matching feature. So instead of you see the girl, then kind of go and meet the girl, you like the girl, finally says our horoscope did not match. Rather now what you'll do is, right away you put your birth details, every profile is show, automatically will show whether the horoscope matching or not matching. So avoid any heartburn in the later stage. So upfront will tell you the horoscope matching or not matching and all that thing. So we also charge, we see the basic horoscope at the free of cost. The detailed horoscope is a value added service where you pay money and all that thing. Other thing is that verification, because Indian marriage happen, people want to kind of do the initial round of checking and all those things. Again, now the people are connected, people are comfortable getting married, people outside the state or even countries and all those things. We also started providing the verification service. Today, across India, we are able to do the verification service where you pay the money. We have basic verification, we have the paid verification, where you could be able to go to the doorstep and we do some kind of verification also. That's again other value add we have done. And also the other thing of wedding directory service. Wedding directory service is how to get money from the people in the wedding industry, because wedding industry is one of the huge industry. In fact, the good thing about this business is that it's the one business probably in the world is recession proof. So, and imagine being in a business where you have India particularly, there are more than 100 million people look for life partner. We are still not even touched the tip of the iceberg, and still already doing much great business, all the thing. There is recession-proof business. As long as humankind is there, this business will exist. Okay, until the people change the culture, kind of, where the thing. So it's a great business to be in, recession-proof, and it's never-ending. People, as long as mankind will be there and all the thing. And more importantly, we don't need to provide a platform. If people come and they create their own content, you're coming and putting your profile, you're generating your own content. You come and put the content. So you maintain the platform, do the innovation, and people pay the money and all that thing. And now, most importantly, they come and bless us also. And and probably this is the only business where you do the business, people come and bless. And thankfully, we thank God for being this business where every day people come and kind of feel okay, fortunate to be in the business where so many marriages, so many blessings. One marriage panale, they say it's a blessing. You're probably doing millions of marriage and you're getting more blessing from the God. So everywhere is a recession-proof, till the mankind and blessing. What a business to be in all the things. Thank God for the once again. So fortunate to be in this one. So then looking at innovation. So how to stay ahead of our competition. We are the pioneers in the matrimony business, but again, you being the first does not guarantee that you always being the first in all the things. The continued innovation. Thankfully, I come from a technology background. Our strength was technology. Being a technologist, one thing I was able to really drive the innovation. One thing our companies, they're in top global companies, NASSCOM twice in a year, top under IT innovator, a lot of award we got for innovation. Couple of innovations I want to talk about is, one thing is last year launched facial search. Because everybody has a dream of getting married to some, kind of want to get married like people like Aishwarya, probably in Tamil Nadu, maybe Ashwin, or maybe like kind of I want people matching that kind of facial. So they have the feature where it's not completed, it's still in beta, where people can choose. I want girls like Aishwarya Rai. It will show all the girls resembles like Aishwarya Rai. It not exactly match. Okay, I'm saying resembling. So okay, at least you are trying to attempt. So you may not get Aishwarya Rai, but at least some attempt towards an order thing. Again, this thinking, how to do you try to get your dream life partner order thing. We launch a voice video profile where you can put the video. I guess it's not become successful because people are not that comfortable putting that video on the net. Then you launch a voice profile. Okay, you're not comfortable putting the video, at least because its information is very text. You come and see the photo and text. You want to bring some kind of interactivity. So you added the voice feature where toll-free number, you come and put your voice profile in your own language. So obviously when you see the girl's profile and picture, you can also listen to her voice. So it gives some kind of connect and order thing. So that is there. And recently integrated with the social medium, because social medium is a growing phenomena. We recently introduced a feature where integrated Twitter with Bharat Matrimony. Basically what is that because the information is in the matrimony site very static. It doesn't talk about, I can come and say, I'm so and so order things, fine, it's good. But you don't know what the person is doing on day-to-day basis. So what we have done is we integrated Twitter with Bharat Matrimony. So, you keep updating Twitter, I'm doing like this today, I'm giving speech at season, tomorrow in the evening I'm going to some place and order thing. By tracking the person behavior, because Twitter is the micro-blogging, somebody evening every day going for a party, what kind of person he is and order thing. So you can understand some kind of sense about, because the way kind of is blogging, the information is putting, we could be able to get some information about the person. Our idea is also kind of how to integrate the growing phenomena of the social medium. So that we have done. And the new feature we recently launched called, we call it the match summary. Because one of the advantage, again problem is now, is today there's millions of members on Bharat Matrimony. You come and search for matching the criteria, it shows 10,000 profiles matching. So imagine you go to the saree shop, you want to take a saree, pick up 10,000 sarees, pick one thing. It's easy to pick one saree out of 10 sarees. Or sometimes choice becomes the problem. And more important, when you do the search, what's happening is that earlier, again, we are the only company to do this feature. You come and do the search. So far, till we launch, before you launch this feature, you keep seeing the same profile sometimes, because the thousands of profiles, sometimes you don't know whether you've seen this profile or not seen the profile, you get yourself confused. Sometimes you even miss out the profile, which is maybe the good match for you. So what we have done, this new feature, what called a match summary, we talked about, is so many matching criteria as per a requirement, but out of which you have seen so many profiles, but out of so many profiles you have contacted so many are not yet to be contacted, and so many profiles yet to be seen. It clearly says, give an example, you have 10,000 sarees, out of 10,000 sarees, out of 5,000 sarees, you probably already taken a 10, maybe 1,000 things, another 4,000 yet to be, you take some decision, yet to see another 5,000. Every time you log in, you don't do a search at all. You put out a criteria, then it automatically shows, so you don't do a search at all.